when changing gear, flick it off. So always you want your toes on the accelerator, not the whole way through, because then it's not really going to work. So I don't know if this ruins the car by any chance. I might be killing the car off slowly, but I don't do it all the time. I do it just whenever I feel like hearing it pop. So I'll show you how that's gonna happen. So all you're doing is just flicking your foot off as you're changing gear. Obviously when you're flicking your foot off, I am applying a little bit of pressure as well. I'm not just flicking it off. You are applying a little bit of pressure there. So that's it. I haven't got no tune or anything like that. It's just a bit of footwork.